asa abɔ ho powder yetwi ne ponso asa de beto Ghana fo anim na be bia Ghana ekeka kono areho pepe ya ono asa ne Tamale South emrahye dwani abɔ aban kokko se ye free IMF Canadian IMF no aso mkuta ba gina so ntua bibia ehwe no matean se ye ba bede ye ho enti ye betoto apapa so se de abana toto apapa so free bre oba ne dia na ne oman ye mfiensa emueti
now we boamenami kwaji busu to come and govern kind of budget. What is it? They are asking for space to be able to borrow. The national debt is at 170 billion Ghana cedis. It means that they've added 50 billion to our national debt. Nation Builders Corps is an addition to an over-bloated public sector. You don't bring in those young people and add them to the public sector when you say wage and compensation is part of the rigidities which is affecting the budget. How do we correct it? But Nation Builders Corps is a kind of senior national service. You don't come here and say, when you bring in university graduates and give them just 700 Ghana, no. They need decent, sustainable jobs, not transitional temporary jobs. We should be working in a manner that the economy of Ghana can absorb the increasing number of graduates that we are producing. You don't use youth employment or Nation Builders Corps. In any case, teachers' arrears, teachers' allowances are in arrears, nurses' allowances are in arrears, and the media, you must point out the lack of candor and sincerity or candidness on the part of the minister. Go and flip through the pages on roads. Exact words, exact rules in 2017, repeated in 2018, repeated in 2019. So what happened? We need as a country to raise those coins. Now, Century Bond, he wants to raise money for 100 years. The government has a mandate for 4 years. They've done 22 months. They should not be tying the hands of the country going into the future.
Enti Osei abano ne nano wadimu kese pa no de aka chirishara noso nti ma onfa amemenemfe so ahoni aho pepre enkonko yade bia se nanimu yagu asinti bobobosi akese abeja oman no daache ekatwitwiri di bia ye ho hwe nyeyie na nanu si ye no a na soafo abedi akira ho mesika semso onyamfo kwakuku aten de betudwa se aya na awreho sanse twiro no kra ka se nimdia memamfo ni ntino aya obre na ni nyina ene se edom kuma no se aban no edi nisika sema na se budget na babeto mu nyanto base ntie obu a oto okra no oda obu ono mu a chingom na teta se tutu ni baabi otini gate ano etwe obi ama na babefa no ena obi so ho no mu a fon yin se ta na so ani wo sopo ena wo ya nti ye wie ya de mic tu ana no ano okasa na nko manyanto base akenkan de o budget ni mu a wo gidie pa se nka wo behunu se nsem wo mo ka no ene budget ni bobra se de o mo kenkan nsem na de e ba ehu na ba batututuom ne ho keka wene nipa bebri akate awewe wo mo a je se o man ahwebe
The budget statement is out. There are no new taxes. In fact, there are reliefs. You remember the income tax brackets that were revised to put more tax burden on high income earners. We have revised that to provide more relief. Because of increased wages, the minimum wage has now gone past the non-tax paying threshold. So we're going to bring legislation to ensure that minimum wage earners do not pay any tax. If anybody is minded, these are the tax measures in the 2019 budget. That's the first point. The second point, allocation to capital expenditure is 12.8 billion Ghana cedis. It is clearly stated in the budget. What the budget statement itself has just been distributed. My respectful advice to not just our friends.
Ora kwakuku aten oboase mrahye bedwani eno no na oboaseni abrante na de brofo yi abedan go se katwa so basisi ene tina ne no kra no yatwa so na asem na wo ka no enye nipa ni nyina na beti ase nemom de opa kire ene se enioma bebre wo hono mu a dom kuma ne kan se ebepie budget no ama aban no ene wo mu ananka eje eye 10,000 opepe wo ha ekwa ye se wono mu etua esotro no opagya mu ko opepe ahanu efo so mumom no musika ne mu odu nte wote so kra nse danka omo basa na ensabo akese ombo na yiyase ne bi eso bete eno da nchen so a wo mu akatua nketenkete agina aban agina ya wasie wa akatua ho eye minimum wage ne so no so se ya pagya wakodu ba bi anka duru bra wo so mutua to nso wo hwa se beye ne nkofa ho kire mra omunturom so kra no wo hyehyɛ ho mra baba be yi saa ade so ne from so Owura Mohammed Mubarak Muntaka minority chief whip aswasem na shebedwani no so na no to nkomodie no say wa forge asere no wanye bi asem ka kyerew ene se obawurawu o hwepa won de ba bia wo hwese sei Ghana ye ka no se de yesi peja kosoro aso emfa obi a no ya hwe ya nchirima wo mba bebre papa
for the how money sebiu said the omunsa be ko wonum companies be bre yunkofodi media houses yentiminti nipa 10 monko 10 nipa 50 monko 10 price of fuel cost 21 months cost 17 times eno na Ghana for na person mutie so omo be yehu bibia ma omo ahin a omo ana
so na bokaso omatiso
omato die so
omuti electricity ni enso
oh menia bisa ho say ordinary Ghanaian na wona no ekasa no what I say the friend say omo ehia omo say omo ho kire omo enti no say wo bana say wo be budget expectation say ube because look last year budget price of oil like I say about $55 and then atimia cost between $66 to $70 meaning say we fall now you calculate it over $500 million 500 million Ghana cedis over 500 million Ghana cedis obetimi dia kushi ohia for no scan there what did you gum still we borrow
Alhaji Mohammed Mubarak Muntaka asonse mrashe bedwani a wono enesan ye minority chief whip na tene nka no na sofo a wono na ehwe epreprechire hwe aban nwuma hodo asofo ni nyinu bi adwuma wo ye hwese edana kwa mu pepepe kari hwe monitoring and evaluation minister Dr. Anthony Akutosei a oroye tafo pankro no mrashe bedwani na no adakora nko mdo mu se koke kani eno se onua me ho aba me ma menka bia na wo hwese se ya aban no wabɔ no homɔden emfie mienu a wadie no na eyade a na eye obre ene abenedie atete mpenten kwa na no wote ede asiesie ensamone a NDC abamba bediye sanse wonum di bone pa ne o men yombo ye futuo mu ntokro e ka nye kuma won di gachire na nyema hodo okro mo di Ghana fo ni so mo ye ne bebre no dodo na no na adane ka ne da ho so aban anyantobose atwetwa ntoku ahodo bi a afa ni asisa ne so a ehwe America ye ba be kɔ e won puntuom no ewiase bebo mo nsama mayen
me Ghana from what first 2 years in there na no ma said na ye ni ye say you could do baby if you say a bit to stretch your deficit economy na grow very slow of your banking sector yira na say ache no bi anya ho hwe ye ni na ye no bibia could be emu senga abaya stepina nka pibegu ndio rather no abaya sewu adwuma banks no senga ye close wo mo na nka obi aberuzu na adwuma banks no ye close ya senga obi aberuzu na adwuma I am consolidated no benya o madwuma but more importantly yani ID sika to banks no sika ho betwe yes an gani na hwe ye na o yete o nya butengo kan budget no so when we say tax for o make man there are no hidden taxes where anya magic kaje o say o nya butengo kan na o kan wi a de o mu no mo abehu sisi ade o kan wi na o be kan de o mu a na is say why wadwin that
Ense futuro na peso tugu kana for ni we ye nsem a Dr. Anthony Akutosei di tu dwakan see streaming live on Facebook Adom 106.3 FM fa wadwenkyere no efegu ho anaso behwe na Osei Ampofo Adjei official on Facebook Obiri Yeboah Fentemfrem ba bia do be fa bia no yeso ye di be hia ne akenkama
na akomasika ya sabre na soafo hwesika samso kuntunkrunku foriata wo kenkan ya se ena epese amanyoku kofa ba Hasan yarga yese watie din na wo wonsem bi kan na bedna gwasante ase dubo pine se pani asembe na beka no se entibete wa me de wa hunu wo de beba mfoni ni so kasa mfoni beba so bohu misi wo nyina na mada na wo se ene se ne wa ante de papa ne kan na wo se mete pa na de aye kan nyina we na kwakwa yese ndidaso obi anim ene wo di Ghana fo hwamo pa soafo ne aban nyina na na de kwa kufu ado wo chima piesie bema boa da ore na ban di Ghana fo hwamo esansa ko homasika obetwitwa akyekye yi ba bie ni ho a wote sensem da bi wom akwa yese ni hani ha enti na misi wa tam obi a oba bie bia obedai.
This budget, I call it the sleeping budget. Who say, what is now Adjei na finance minister Kasiebo, and yet new thing. Omo kasa way since 2016 election campaign. Omo kasa the same kasa. Omo your rhetorics of messages. Now it is say the angel is speaking and the devil is working. They have a message of the angel talking with good words, sweet words, but when it comes to work, it's their devil who's working. They don't achieve anything. Bisamo, 2016 campaign promises almost started with one district, one factory. It's the easiest you can think of. Almost say one constituency, 1 million. Now almost say one village, one dam. The cheapest among government policies is one village, one dam. Government, but me bet me one village, one dam. Bisamo, how many villages no more? Bisamo, constituency no more Kasano, how many no more 1 million? We are going to the third year. Bisamo, districts no more Kasano. One district no more Koya factory. Which of the district no more Koya factory? So Ube Kasa again over to me here. So that Ghanaians will at the end of the day will be sound. At the end of Kasano, away. So this budget was for them to come and tell us that look, in the past, you can't say about constituency. Yahweh, one village, one dam. Yahweh, one district, 1 million, one factory. Yahweh, one constituency, $1 million. Yahweh. So, Cecilia, you buy infrastructure. Oh, buy infrastructure. Kitwa, untimi ye. Kase kitchen over to me. Also, over mammy basket, untimi mammy basket, city over Casa over mammy car. Me.
Hassan Ayarga EPC kofa by ono na wote neneno na okasa wie ye na opani ono so mfrinchia mpini du mienu okosa kontekro kopre so bedi mampani Jacob Osei Yeboah Adjei so dina no tumu no kire se wone de opesa ban no eye nyina ne se ene akonhoma sika watwitwa ene ho bo a wahye nyina sika no nkom na nya adwuma no ene ye akama na mom so be kan egu ho saa na se be wiase na ba bia mfiri mu amade na kire ne mfa so bia amaso
programs na a woman and then the bet me aboa before kese dem kwesifio so last year you use 4.5 GDP you know their artists were about 3.5 GDP a relative a before kese keke agro na yesi uniform say man lemon abeda ni lemonade na yama plantain ababa da ni fufu cassava ni ada ni konkonta ye and no na jessica ba and then change the economic fundamentals and then was ye ya juni kwesi so ni etimi ye yantibi anya sa de no dia we should just forget about it and the national identification system no or say nya functional one and then the betimi hu population ya dodo adwuma nkrofo ye nkrofo fie efie ni property tax ni sa ne mane nyina yantibi anya sa ne mane nyina ne mane kan de obo ka percentage na atese say e ka say inflation across raba for o chase say ordinary person won chase ne manya adwuma bi ameye na adwuma no so won faso na ne ade aye hwehwe o napco no de aye intervention a o ye dey stop ye mrante na bufu hyehyɛ ye beba bejiro mobono ana ye dey adwua no anya napco nya yi ono yanko ko school ono wie ya fa na adwuma ye ma 7,000 wo sesi ya fa napco ne ma 700 wani beji munyina na mo tira classroom back eti napco ne de ya ade a eboa ama mo nya adwuma no oma ho kire no levels na beba from
Eni awoti ye eye Jacob Osei Yeboah no ono so wie ya ena Samson asiki agya asiki ene ono twerefo panima yenuanom a wonom kra ne maba ma yimu na ebinom so ede kwa ama no ne kokoton ena odi tudwa se de panini kan ye nyina so afode tudwa no wonom de omma na kwa aba emra metena ne mo won hwe se adwumayefo asabere om so komu buo no omkom be hare wonom
Majidi say budget na finance minister represent aneno if you listen to it keenly from a key stakeholder point of view, I realize that the government is much more concentrated on manufacturing and dwelling towards exports to grow for more exports. And so it's good news. Don't forget, me Importers and Exporters Association boss. Whilst I protect the interests of importers, I also have the same strength to protect the interests of exporters. And all of us as Ghana, both NDC and MPP, they understand, they all agree that we are doing too much import. And so if we are doing too much import, what are some of the measures can we put? What I don't want to see is they rushing to ban rice importation when we don't have excess of rice. If we don't have enough to feed ourselves, let alone having excess for an export. What I don't want to see is they rushing to make policy to ban importation of sugar when we don't even have sugarcane grown, let alone produce sugar to feed our market, let alone to have excess for export. But if at the end of the day, if we give ourselves the next 5 to 10 years and we have excess of this, and the government now issues a statement that we are producing more rice here, we are producing more sugar here, why are we importing sugar or increasing sugar tariff so that you don't, if you bring sugar in, because we have more sugar here, you pay every duty to clear it, then I can support government on that score.
Any TA Samson. I won't go bet. Asiki.
Adjei FM.
I won't go bet no. Yanto Kasiebo no so na yen consent fufuru mu na yeto aso a unim say wo so afo ho Mexico asem so ene wo kan sem de bebre na se de esitie no asem a binum kagu akire ni se wodo anodo nwera ebi ngo esan se wo hwe papa yi ne nsem wo kan ye na koye se de wutie medomasu no akọ ho abesra ne bia na abeno ne mere saa akwan a oboro so so no beyi wo man mu kamia ye se mantam bia no akwan a hia wo de wo bo so eno da nchen a enyuma wonum di sika botre ba bevrevra mu ahyemu akanya mu amache se etimi agyina ne na so na Ghana ade hye anya adwuma yo yetimi anya ne ma de bakwa ma no ne enya sika bum di aba bebo man kyekere ne ho keka ho no na nya asem ketewa so ni nyina no yesi ye kanfu du afro no ne ye kanfu achacha ye keka ma efuru ne ye keka ma da kamna esan se ye bosia ho nsensem na panika no sa so kari hwe a yanka se sika pa se ya ho boaso ya kwankoro no eno de na ye nya nu ho ye mfisusu a ye gigi ani mu a empafin besi na omayika ene mpempensu agina ene kwampa wo peso ofaso ebobosia ede eboa yakwan ene yempuntu nyuma no openi nyantobase chirechire mu.
Government is committed to its objective to borrow at least cost and at the minimum prudent level of risk. Consistent with this, government intends to issue sovereign bonds of up to 3 billion to be used to finance critical infrastructure products and for liability management. Government will explore the possibility of issuing one or a combination of the following bonds based on market conditions: Euro bonds and green bonds. Mr. Speaker, the Century Bond. Ghana announced its intention to issue longer dated sovereign bonds this year as part of our bilateral engagement with other countries. Our phase of massive economic transformation requires a more ambitious financing arrangement and the capacity to retire about half of the country's existing debt, which were issued during a high interest rate environment during the previous administration.
Eti yewra kan oforata asema wo kanyina se bosia de bebo na mum se de osi kan no se bi yebebo ni nyansam na yebebo no ebo so ansi ho no anya bafu ti se de na afo ebeye no bere bia atwam no na ni nyina ne se ahon kwakọ hia se benya sika de bebo sa abra ne kwa homa so na ye ne Dr. Lord Mensa a wono wo senior lecturer wo University of Ghana Business School eni nkomo doc oti enka nwumre ya moadwo
ya me nya ba ma me moadwo ye tiefo nya so moadwo
migiri ye se wapom ye pa
Adom idea that is a form we pa.
Budget is so me gidi ye so do ani je kira we no wabo nsu aguso kora ja betima di ho nkomo.
And they will break up.
Enra oba Joy News PM Express dwumadie so enkomodie mu no de tudwa se wo no hwepetata kremu a enye nwanwa sa ban no bosia bode obekoso abo na mom na wusa sure kire won kasa ye mu se ebasa so na eka yede no ya adoso osofo yi a kire mu se wo mo bebo bosia no nyansem no mbehwe se ehun si hu no enye kakra ekwakofa hawde abre wuyi de no awokan ye ne de osofo yi kan na wokafu a osanim sei.
Oh, sir, I don't know. Yes, as an economist, no, and as a financial economist, no. Yeah, the energy I heard that in the bit based on the information over the dano. Now share and the normal home popular here. We had the history na the Bibiano. I now what data about. Now your history says the last 2 years of election in one. I am not buying no spending on infrastructure for na kobana sana na mo ready budget na quite a create huge budget deficit. You know say yeah also spending no and also saying you carry bit to me generate na kobana sana gap na better no you have no choice than to finance it by borrowing. Na borrowing no open borrow na sensitive kakra because also your economy no the economy more is no production will form businesses no and and so liquidity problem and this almost borrow Ghana and say nya be ye betimi anya be free be squeeze the economy to the brimmer and say the na na economy no crash crap. Most of the borrowing or the signals is giving 2019 and most of them I presume is going to come from outside the Euro bond market or possibly looking at the Chinese market. So maybe they will look for other things, other markets that they can get soft loans. And more so, they are thinking about borrowing for long term. And who borrow for long term, I don't know between the IABBA and also a long term. Because we share Ghana, the infrastructure needs, you DB between Yakon and Impa. Now, I'm saying, or the to just say, you bet me our competition. That is the same one. A young DB, I say financial economics, I'm saying.
Doc, wadamo dear amanyofui titiri wamu a eni abamu sese beka ne se bosia bia ye bosia obo bosia no so de ka ebre wo man ya kyese eya ne no dodo na ganafo edobedu mebi kura nkomodi wanzi ese ye kye ka ana eka ye de ne ese akyeche mu obia bede ka sei ne aka no huhu ne de atu etiri so eti ensonsone be ne wo sa bosia bo emu a ebia de pani kan ebeto akoma bi so se eno de ebeme ye ho ahenhaye.
Oh yes, so share a car dear, Sabiono, to me in a car near the bonnet. Na dear money at the bonnet, baby, she can't watch an idea with the Bishop. So they say I did be more bet me a 2 pound, they bet me a channel car. And yet, dear Bia, it will be asa. Now, I am a citizen, or month for a car debt to GDP near the other. And to me, you're moving far away from that. You see, I can relate that to your GDP. You relate your debt to your revenue. Because the revenue, they would just generate, and now they could your interest. And then sometimes, principal be amateur, who could charge everybody. And a candier, to me, and you're the bonnet, and you're somebody who out to feel crown of Bobisia. Now, please, what the Bishop is dying. Now, what the dying bit to me a high, now the car. And they do baby cranas at the end of crana. For institution and as an investor of this kind of amount, you can renegotiate. And then you can remember there, Sabiono, 10 years now, Obokana, do baby, you can renegotiate. You may collapse or mine on to us, or mine the car and the visa. You need to look at the prospect of the asset or mine one. So, prospect asset, no prospect. Young Pupuya and a Yadia, I have share. Sabiono said 10 years near the journey and me and Johnny about 30 years, Grana. And your bonnet. Now, a cana, Ghana, no do but yeah. I am Sicilian, sir. Yeah, Bocanin, I don't know, they said, I dear moi at the corner and fast with Bia May. Do baby crown, and do a canoca to see at the point canaya. You, a general acquire bibio, Nancaminia, Cadia, Sabio, Bok, or might be up as a developer. You cannot develop within your own capacity. You cannot develop based on what you generate, and the work export name events or taxes. Would to mean final and also tells there. In Ghana, we have an explosion of population growth. 1 a year, there was the Coban is there. The infrastructure. There is this year, infrastructure being and the next 5 years, we need double of that. And to meet that, population growth. And the structures that we need to meet them, Oberboka. Now, Oberboka also make sure, sir, what is the Kana Shampoo to Juma, a Juma and Casabit, me a bit Oka. I said, Nipano Mabano, Ombe, you shoot at the corner, Omo Timia Tia, and Hokana, Udia Kwakutia, and to me, dear, a cadia, a good baby, I was here, I am saying, but Nyad Dia bonnet, so in the Odisicania.
Doc wadama bienwe wo we ho se kamia se da Ghana ye hawo ye wo ha emu ba aduokron ho nsem apie budget mu empuntudwuma aban so obeye enwuma a wo fa akwanya bi so aboa ankorankora enwuma amoma bie bia kyese amanfo benya bia ye ne ho keka wo kan nyina bom eza ben se wo ye sa de we nyina wo emfiempinu ani dunkunum se de odi ase na ni so de a na ne se nko manki awie enya ni hahane ana se bie mfuturo bi na aban no epese tugu yani.
And yeah, they mean the pa, they are a buy normal ready budget. They are not realistic. They call out so many things. And by the end of the year, both kakra, no makosa kakra. To both implementations of the policies of what to They don't prioritize it. No matter so we mukaka no majato, no matter so we mukaka bi oka no ma ni shabi. The kwan bi no mbe kwa na nsu beto na nsu no atwe kwan nyina kwa ekotalo na atwe nyina kwa. Ntu bi kan nyina boma. Na kwa ze ade no omode tutu ho no, they didn't prioritize it. Na kwa ze obia na budget no aya no mo be ya ni input no ene hia. But after when your input no when you feed from all the sectors, all the ministries no, and in your spending no, as a finance minister you need to prioritize your spending. And you want to mean kazel be BBB. No sana ya na akoye bibio. Enti na bibia no, they will give budget as a attach you be a problem so. But the year no be end no. Na has to be at your the problem ya solve man. And do me something say any higher and any higher kasa. Any higher no bemu because budget to win acquire budget is purely at the discretion of the finance minister and any other ministries no input because budget to win your post IMF budget IMF input no very very minimal. It's at the minister's discretion the other sorry let me put it government discretion no beye adie ani ha bebam kakra nti ubi samia no di ani ha kakra bem at the same time no so share your friends say you be call election now they know very well say Ghana for no so we use software they have a port yi ni ade o ye identification card say ni pani bottom fia bi o ye your friends say digital address system ni pana when the phone so as digital nyantumi nkaniti ni na a soft side of investment but mo nim say nipa no mo to aba no say wa anye kwan bi wa anye dan bi ansiwo ana wa mfa pipe bi ankoma no wa mfa toilet bi ankoma no wa anye the bottom ana wa anye bibia me ni anya de ombeto aba na ma they know the Ghanaian electric say they rely on fiscal things and the way no bet me the any high abam and you be some any high wo ma and the make say bebre kwa
Doc, my now I say you may Adjei any edin come Dr. Lord Mensa a senior lecturer University of Ghana Business School and now to say you no din come on.
Ya twaso akoma bonu mu ho nyanam no abi na ye tete no. Na so afo hesika sam so kasa na odi tudwa se yenua no obro na half man tam mu. Finhia mpini dunsia Obiri Yeboah wonom abra okodi sika ho dwa ema wi ase DKM Justa Motors God is love ni nuanom muamu ani nyina kwam wonum de call yema nipa bewu ne yesetie ni bebre no ahwere wo monkwasa meka sei bi mutowure mo mai binum so okra anamso am o madwene mu ha wonum achese ebi mu awade akura agu akoye nsempii na waban na ni so sese de tie bia sa na mo no betu na afi wa hwa masika ne yetue de ama wo mo akoka mu no ene oso afo yi kasa de tudwa se enokre ene o matua bese ham chichemu aduowotwe de ama wo manfo a wo ho ko ahokire mu no wo se obubu nkunta no ne nipa no bese empem aduokron enkron ahanwotwe aduonum wotwe 99,858 eye wo manfo a wo samu hu sampa wonom sika akodi sa mia yi a chese obubu mu abu nkonta sika na chese ye opepe ahenum ene mienu ni nyina no na chese wo kire mu no obubu a sa nipa nyina no obu ani keka bo mu a wonya bese empem adioso enkron ahanso ne wotwe a chese safo no wo cheche sika ede ma wonom na wo kire mi sesa meka sai de aka o hamu chichemu aduonu pe na chese wo mu aka no kakra bi na wonom nsa enka wo sika na ni nyina mu no so oguso a wo ye ho adwuma se de be ya obehu sampa enipa somasi ana obenten na sika kamu no ahwe na yatua ni nyina de ama wonum
Mr. Bekasa said he came was 80%. Mimi jira mi ye miska wo perfect. Mi nya mu 10. Nti ahwe sraba ye iska wo perfect. Just na God is love ne sraba ye so. Omra ye. Let's drop na ka ho iska wo ye. Ti sraba ye nya ska emma ye manfa nya hwe ye sraba. Omwa ye. Na ye hwe nsan komo.
Imu bi ko ye ni say ye hu
neno de ne ahwehwe no enye wei na ye ahwehwe no na ye bo modin ase ye nsabeka ne nankasa ne de soafo ne tudwa no ne abo e de amamu na sansem ye soafo de ko tudwa e na nka ne soafo a no wo hwe da uboso e wo NDC aban abreso Felix Kwachi Ofosu enso de atudwa se nyame anim nim se soafo ne kasa watue oham chichemu aduo wotwe a na ye na nado dankwa kufu ade na aban a nya no kore esanse mampenda da John Dramani Mahama wantu akranye wo hamu nchichemu aduokron ene wotua ntie ka wo hamu nchichemu dupe na wo sa ban ya wo ho tua ene wagya atua na satiefo beka ya danoda Ghana mampenda da John Dramani Mahama ko Bruno half man temu no woni andi samanyoko machia wodi tuga se aban hye bo se sika no obetua enti wontua mfama wonom sabra wa baban suye na yentie se de mampeda da aka na asem
ule de brekuma asem esiye ama ya mame mo ya papa mo bebre edo musika ko shemu a eje se ebi omorewo no brekum ha ibe jina ho ka se adwuma no eye ma ho ka fo lodi na ene media a omuni se eye kotopo enso politics inti yes omudia sika no mafa ya me chade ene mu na mu abemu ye ne got na pa sika na pamprofo e mu fa betu me sam na mu fa kutu video woko na akufado ejina bronga hafu memu ha e ka se monto mame me ba musika no media mamo and also the finance minister. Also, I'm not DK myself, one Kabiasa, one Shabudiasa.
Ghana mampenda da John Dramani Mahama, Nene and Auti, and Nasasemi, and Felix Kwachi Ofusu, Onoso Quatro, Ediato, and Abefu Pakesia, Edison Komoya, social media set, or Kama Ghana for Nina TV. Sesikano. Wonom ewietria mampenda da John Dramani Mahama mfinhyia mpinu ene dunsia wo hamu nchichemu aduokono ana wotua enti aka wo hamu nchichemu dupe ena wo sen kaban na wotua ka ho asabri wotene to so ne no na Ghana fo bibisa se se ne yakoba ne saade a ne ne ba ne sei ena da no ada mampani nso ebo da wuro se aban hwe no ntu o manfo ka esie paye ana yente ase yanko ahoma no so Ernest Aniba wono ne kasamafo edima o manfo mo ko eka adwamu abra dikem ne jasta motos ne God is love guye o kasama wono ene sakwaba
yo aja majeso
me jidisa akohumasika so afo kenkan utie bi
metie pa
ene mo ho asem ba mu se aban na tua ohamunji ohwa me tua ohamunji chemu aduowotwe se na tie
aja metie asem na eha me pa na me nimdie me beka kra mo ka say mo tia be 90% ni na ye ntro na aban omo ka say maybe there omo ye ne Ghanaians na omo deceive but omo ankasa because 2020 is not far me kasa se sia no kura asem no wo court ye plan demonstration by 4 times ni na omo deny of having a peaceful demonstration nkranza na there na plan a demonstration anka ye tinia ye sika je by 90% say we dey anya asem bia me say ye chairman nipa de chairman no kura ne sika ye 400,000 ewo DKM microfinance even one person wa kura wan je me dey wo care for humanity no affiliate of DKM because sama to na ebe die sa company no DKM CEO masa ya kosa no any office in Ghana say petition. The president kura onim say a petition several times. Want to know he Martin Kedele DKM CEO ya Cornandom face to face. Now I say a police for my arrest warrant. The Honorable Ambrose Derry, who is even the Interior Minister, or not or deny it. And we have evidence to all what we are saying. And ne Mobeka say mama 90%. Now 90% ne free. Mutia sa 90% na ama go sana nipa na mutia sa 90% na ama. No problem because since 2016 nobody has been able to help us. The regional minister, the current one, or call for meeting because of demonstration plan no. Almost mobile bibi. The last time demonstration no call Tuesday we na judgment to say bet me a demonstration. Now Mobeka say my mom can no crana train Ghanaians say the BI and pro say why say you why there's not a liquidator and a kasa some na mo na and I want kasa na bet me because we have paid 90%. If you even take DK microfinance as an individual company, mekano kre ama mo hu say the omokani na anya no kre say mo up to 90%. Usika 100,000 now mo be ma 10,000 na 90%.
Ernest enya se sika no wodia sika wunya ye si yetua ni nyina ma percentage no mo kan o mo che se nipa a wono nsaka o musika ni bi 80%.
Aja omoka ta family then is laughable. Me say laughable.
Enti say nipa be say na
me challenge media na say maybe umo wetinya ka say the PRO is just talking for fun. Come, Montblanc kwanza ha na ye mo own investigation.
Okay.
And you will see how angry the people are because they are suffering. Sense kasa the scene nobody even arrest the people. It has been extremely difficult. The last time now, His Excellency Ban Kwanzano said extremely difficult tracing the assets of those people, especially the fan clubs. And therefore, we should use that as a lesson. Now, same way, who campaign we no sana okay. Say you are going to look for their assets. Nipano one thing nipano obedient at me I say who say nipano na japadi wa na or property we wa.
Yo.
So
yo Ernest what the obakono
2020 there is not far.
Obakono
show them.
Obakono so for that no share Kratoso Deputy Minister Information Felix Kwachufu so say JDM breso mutua 90%. Ana so afo a ho sesi aso ka say 80% omatua. Enti mo customers no muni paro do say e no monsa ensa ka musika.
Masa aya DKM say ya ka investment almost DKM say no one will take it as DKM Microfinance as an individual company. Eba you know DKM took everything, overshadowed the names of the other companies. There was God is love. There was
Felix Ernest yenimni nyina enti mo wona woda wo no wo hwa percentage say na mo say
o ma tia 90% na ye no kra die o mo MPP for so cannot enye no kra the right it what they are paid off and do 20%.
Enti nipa no just nipa o mo sakom
for humanity you were over 75,000 people. Na nipa ba kokora anyanje no sika dia na e kire say dia motia no 90%. God is love for so su. Just for omobeje documents. Me say omobeje photocopies of investment na no with amount of 20 Ghana cedis. And liquidate, I'll say, Justa is not having any property to be liquidated and pay the people. Not even a single person of Justa. As I speak now, now 90% to next free.
Yo.
Little drop.
Ernest, Anieba, wono ne kasamafu, edema womanfo a wonum kodi dwa e wodi kem ni nua na keka ho, ene wa kire mu no. Se wo mo nsaka sika no, enya no kure se wo ha mu nchichemu ade wotwe, ene wo ha mu nchichemu ade okron. Enti yegusu a yebehwa ko hunu nipa dodo a wonum sa aka sika no bie ne wo mo a wo mo nso ho ka mu ne de aka na yehunu kure bia ewo asem no mu
yefa na se ma Nokia Android on madama na ye frɛ phone papa ehwe wa wo fa wade na ne battery tiapo na eche so wo nsem efe so abibia utimi de yo kwa FX ebema watiapo mepacho se de nipadua ne tie bia no ebehunya homambofo nipadua no ana se honam afem eye kwa FX ne be se adwuma no MTN everywhere you go ne kokroko no ewo ho wo so de fa hurura mu bi na edi nkomo fira homachi no num ekwa ekopem no nwotwe abra betua wanga na silipe we na opedie akwanya nie mepacha wa Grace Homeopathy Clinic enya de wade amayen ene homeopathy no omamu omote so efidie nie enimdie nie yetu yare na se nkrani kumase na nkrabata ne bi wo Total Ghana the Taxi Club number Total driver for na afei taxi driver for yesemo mfa mu nwura mu na aja adododie wo mu no moso monsanka mo chefa Total ne fango ene ne oyira hodo ne boaka papa si de nim fritete no na ukura card ne bi so Total station bi ultimate wura ho ekotofu wo Kingdom Jensen Power Capsules ye mema drupa no boa mema mu kina mo na so hodin mu agi nchia esefata Cowbell Gold ano ne soronko a Promasidor Ghana for dia badwa so a unum bia tum sampa wanom anom na Cowbell we de ati so den tabia heba mesha bibiduru a etu etiri di ase na afei so no adomonline.com ho na bekenkan nsem ni nyina ebeko kumase na nsa na no special prosecutor no de etumonim se owura matenami do se ba bia wo gina no se de wakwa se mpreduasa ehumni aham ni gina so keke opa ni mu bibiara nim enu nti se ya hwa mpaka dia wo de beya dwuma na mano a ene le dwuma no kro bedane ato na budget mu no ekupie ye so men sika foforo no opepe wo ha aduo wotwe 180 million ena yede ema no na yentie eye yewura kenoforiata
fighting corruption. Mr. Speaker, in line with government's promise to protect the public purse, His Excellency the President remains committed to the fight against corruption. The Special Prosecutor's Office, which is established under the Office of the Special Prosecutor Act 201-2017, Act 959, is one of the highest priorities of government. In this budget, the Special Prosecutor's Office has been allocated an amount of 180 million.
Enuti sikano ena da hono na yenko ahomane so Ghana Integrity Initiative a yeba dream die ne katasesa bribi ya omo na ebo ho bra ebo ho dawro ni ade programs manager Mame Mary Ada ewa ahomane so ne ni nkomo se ye no afedie eduru bra dwumadie no yebe hunu ne se de Ghana fo hwe ni mu na Mame ye mo adwo anwumre
Pacho mejo mo so na mitia efiefo nyina
Etiefo Adjei so yewura matena medu asu ache ena yede na kwotena ho ena onya aka de ena anse de ne dwumadi a wodie no yenchia keke ne ho keka ho sei sika aban atwanie so de ma ne office ne so mfanya adwuma usu se eye ebeboa amadwuma nse de nyina ehwe ne mu se bekonako
yo pacho me da sipi se osha ore magani tun se ma waka no eye bebre enye sikanko o wa boso so se emra ana elaya ewo se otumi di dwuma kra so no eno so na emba parliament ye na eneye ti ne pepe fi finance minister no bo se eno so elaya no ewo parliament ti eno so obedi wu dwuma na kire se afia ye kowremu yi de matiamidu oni asem bia obeka se eba elaya ana se sika na usha sika wo bi se eye ana se esa ana se edoso dodo no sika de se ye di sika mani pa eden ya utimi wo se you would find something to do with it, and each institution has sent their budgetary allocations to the Ministry of Finance based on which my year these allocations. And you get to Munaocean Swat, Yapisa Matiam do a truck finance ministry say allocation why a man no other one say they're giving him a substantial amount. It is not totally what would have been expected, and I say, and yet near every special prosecutor office and now society and now will be their crown per se, special prosecutor, because we would want to see him in an accommodation now. Apart from space, no, obetumi to academia or the the computers, technical equipment, almost the investigations, now Osha and one here, a dozen. Now, so we started this way, I'm not a dozen. And the young cafe, can I add your man on a dozen? Name, it is a good sign. Say, something has been given to him to start the process. And going into 2019, Sika ya allocate ama office no. That sika na ye de bema won. Na we tumi di asate edijuma wa fa nipa wa to na aka bie we tumi atua won ka wa ko no officer e wo so wo ku na we tumi edicate as shene proye eduma die no tani efe na efata.
Yama me Mary Ada programs manager ma Ghana Integrity Initiative now to say yene no edi enkomo no National Identification Authority say washa se trotro manfodin enkra nyame adom a efri dadwoda November 5th ekosi da memeda November 25th anopa no nwotwe kosi nonum de biara da no obetre nipa wadentedin la nkwanta 9 Madina so Monday December ne de to so miensa kosi Saturday December de to so aduonu mienu anopa no nwotwe kosi nonum so la nkwanta 9 Madina fo so betwere mudinti wokoso a kapre kura ani kwaso otua bi emu nkyiremu aka nyina ye de be ma sabre de crossover bre na aso yenko kumase na wuku de nkyemo atenase a chese ensem o afiri kumase amanfo anu yie wo kumase nsensem ho a epie budget mu no wo de to ayeso na wuku de nkyemo otimen kan so mu ne enko Nana Uku Denchamo Entimenka na Tri-Steel Company Limited na ya wode atu anim se wasidan awio peso oboso ma edan no etiapa bomoden na fa wani ekere onwuma kache ene onkura bata ne doso pa number be frɛ mu a ba bia wo bia benyom no omadi nkomo nie 0302 850 802 0302 850 802 Tri-Steel for wono idea eno no Obiri Yankwe
ye kwa na ye bawura aposifo akache aposifo de aba betu dwa se frichina kro wa wabusuani afiri mu a woda aposifo aya asabia brabefa anya sanipa beso ha ne akiri omunyina betu amana donko baako no do mu agum na chese mass barrier na ebekoso sanse nipa ne bi wo ho a omuni hu akiri hu abusuafo enti obibi wo ho wate tumirika brabehe wonte nso dia wo mo kam obi atibi sha wo mo betu sa na mo no enti obi bia onipa bia yira wote se bia nkwanhia bia sie onkɔhwɛ no fani se aposifo wonom aya sabia kese bia bi wo mokra mu no na anye saa ene se na wotwi nkɔtɔ no na se nipa mako ha ene akire no apo mu nyina kura bre baako se dia afi bia ya oyɛ no na ɔmanfo adwenkyerɛ wei efri Michael Opoku ho osikase ne yetie mu na aban no ne kwan so na onam no wokɔ nanim tɔten we so efri Francis nda adabi we atimni die menkan Patrick Yeboah ose Ghana de omkasa o amanfo kasa pa omkasa dodo Chains Williams ose still mampani Nana Dankwa Kufuado obo adwuma echen mampenda John Dramani Mahama Chris Dollar was NPP amanyuku na Nana Dano no odi opa fa America man papa wo wiase nyina fa hye nsa obekɔ no ama hɔ ayɛ Afghanistan ohunu so ne omen kɔ yie Phillips Joe ose asem obisa na yetiawa senti nkɔpem brebe na bosia ya bore de yi akwan ne ade yebeja yie Honorable Michael ose happy birthday enkoma no ankane assemblyman no Brekum Honorable Tafre no offer was happy birthday enkoma
Vodafone Smart Business we adwuma wura obi office twotwopo bi kura na hwe internet awde ye adwuma course amo ye ne ade opese wankasa bring beka so be customize na say wa obehwe twotwopo bi a ebeboa wo a ye Vodafone Smart Business adwuma ne kase a eye bia no behwe so na wodoma ye ho hyehye de ama wo Vodafone Smart Business ni mo ma chese ni o nyina akoyi e de ama Sibimen and women capsules and ya wani tua se ma modwonso a mote yaw nemu nsayade ahodo nsu egugu basa obu nse meyi nyina no sibi women capsules bema wonso odwonso twa no ebi ana photo abam ebi kura na ya hye rubber mpacho wa bomodi apesibi men capsules ne bi nya ho adwuma na dwonso tede na fe so ahode ahia no mpem no sanka won madam menti voice of the day
brofo no mo kana menti ase ntia omo katwi omo ka fante na wona ho nyina omo ye bibifo omo ya brofo ama mrewa no wehunia na nakufa do opese o kire ananyipa na all ye budget no wehu asema o budget metie ramante I didn't pay on Lamante is a Blofuno can and Tinamante. Let me am Uncle School. The Blofunamenti, Sarah Mantin, they are Monkey tree. My Ghana Eddie, and do an alcohol say, oh, I let you come my own Omka and no. So I'm about to try it you in the Omunkan tree. TV. It's me a taxi driver. Na me name Crawford be air cock and be a mowa. So Blofuna can and Tomon Tishi. Omo bisa me amen so ne ambeti me mbeti kakra bi no no na ya metimi choma nti e betre Ghana benefo se Ghana kromu ne yeti nkofo omo titwi no do so se nkofo a omo ti blofo no nti se be yi a na nchomo read no friends Mfanti na obi nti
eti taxi driver fo a ye no omudidi nkomo no omo se omo te se man bi kasa na pa se asem kura wo ka no omo te ase de ne Debbie, Sibimen and women capsules, and Afi Vodafone Smart Business, or Madam and the voice of the day.
Na, Omunyabotre, Omoya dear, Brofro dear, budget no one,
National Commission on Civic
and woman. I was on the buffer.
And I was say,
by department, almost what taking woman was one son of Ficoma, Ubiati, one tea, and the Casabia, I come in who the Abana Epese. Oko Parliament House where Casa different. When Tunkasa Kojina, Nako country, Nanny and come out any ye. Yan to Musa, no neo man in Akasa and Canada. Yes, any into idiot, one fine champagne. Why?
Kasiebo ne de asi na yɛfa na siema Nokia Android Kwa FX MTN everywhere you go network papa Grace Homopathic Clinic Total Ghana ɔse Chelsea Club no fa ho hyɛ mu bi ɔyɛ trotro na tasi droba ɛbɛboa pa Kingdom Ginseng Power Capsules mema no yɛnsɔre nyina yɛ naso na ya sɛ deɛ Bible kra ka sɛ yɛtire ne yɛnyɛ dua na ne wakwa yɛ dua no besere wa pɛ aduro na ɛsan ɛsi uda dem Cowbell Gold Tabia Heba Mr. na adomonline.com ɛna ɛboa ɛma yɛde Kasiebo yi ɛbrɛ mu na na sɛi Ampofo Adjei mene
Obiri Yeboah Fentemfrem
Abednego asante asiedu ena kule no ena ebo ye chidom na afei Adom Kasiebo demfo nyinara ne budget yeti ne eposa yeti ne eposa ni nakodo na Kasiebo num na esi wo hene ne esemfo pani yepege mu ene high life fiesta ebeba so ewo abrewana na my two baby any MC
Abeku, my business way dear.